After 7 days here in the final, they were 1,500 to travel their various camps. Congratulations. Approachable. Next time. Okay, so the champions of the 20 champions, Amos. The first time, Arani Ajay Kaku, the second sports complex. Sanka Kwetewe, Amaji, Timini Aloshiani, Ni Akesia Shamana Babina. The first time in the Australia, Amaji, James was a follow. The Star Boys, the MPT Table attacker. Wow. And Eric Kajaman follow. America fortunately missed 2 games. No, unfortunately. Elijah Carr of the following Elijah Carr and Gabriel Carr also follow. Of course, you see the technical team. The last one standing, Jonathan Soa, who is the captain for the captain. At the parking, the captain falls behind and Jonathan Soa, who is the captain for Sanka Kwetewe, and then I will see the technical handler for Sanka Kwetewe, who has been very solid and influential. And this medal for Monomo, Joya Master, for Taba is Taba Metropolitan Assembly, I should say. And I can see second vice and deputy youth organizer and chairman of Fonte, Chuaba Diamba. Okay, so the president of Tema will do the presentation for the first prize award. And 2,000 Ghana City by our the winners are 2,000 Ghana City. 2,000 congratulations to Sanka Kwetewe. This is Amama winner. Osman.
So we are the TV commentators, and as I can, you took over and I should go for a predator winner. Mama fight, when you get the winner, then you get the winner. You tomorrow, who push your winner. You tomorrow, if I agree. Who had a few, maybe, but not my friend.